Hey everyone, welcome back to Today Best Deals Today. We're excited to review the Inoviva Slushie Machine, a professional-grade machine that lets you make delicious frozen drinks at home with ease. Meet the Inoviva Slushie Machine, featuring flash chill technology that eliminates the need for ice. Ensuring your drinks are never diluted. With 5 preset programs and 5 levels of thickness control, you can create a variety of delicious smoothies and frozen drinks. The Inoviva Slushie Machine boasts a large 88-ounce capacity, perfect for serving 10 to 11 people in one batch. The machine also features a self-cleaning function, making it easy to clean and maintain. With one-button operation, you can easily create your favorite frozen drinks. Simply pour in your ingredients, select the mode and thickness, and wait for 15 to 45 minutes for the process to complete. The Inoviva Slushie Machine is perfect for making frozen margaritas, frappes, milkshakes, and more. The machine's advanced technology ensures a smooth and fine texture, providing a unique icy experience. Inoviva is committed to providing professional products and services. If you encounter any problems during use, feel free to reach out to their customer support team for assistance. Whether you're hosting a party or just want to enjoy a cold treat at home, the Inoviva Slushie Machine is a great addition to any home. Get yours now and start making delicious frozen drinks at home. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Make your favorite frozen drinks with the Inoviva Slushie Machine. Order now and enjoy the ultimate frozen drink experience.